Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to ping IP address. First go to start menu and type CMD in search bar. Here select command prompt. Command prompt screen will appear. If you don't know the IP address of the system, type IP config and hit enter. And here you can notice the complete detail of your IP address, and in my case the IP address is 192.168.0.4 and my default gateway is 192.168.0.1. Here I am going to ping my gateway. Let's see how to do. Now I am going to use command ping and space parameters. In my case my parameter is my default gateway, so I am going to type 192.168.0.1 and hit enter. So you can see the reply is coming from the system, and you can notice there are 4 packets of data sent and receives 4 packets of data. That means there is 0 loss and my gateway is pinging perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share, like, and if you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching.